Hi guys, I am Muskan. Welcome back to my channel Bringy Muskan. So today we'll be talking about the top 10 shoes brand in India. As we have seen that in search of some very good brands, we stumble upon some brands who are making millions by selling us shoes at the price of gold. So make sure that your next purchase should be from these brands only. So without any further late, let's jump into the video.
So first we have Adidas. Adidas is a worldwide popular sports brand which is known for its trendy design and high quality shoes. It makes sneakers and sports shoes, walking, trekking and all other type of shoes for men and women. Pros of Adidas are status symbol, highly comfortable, the unusual design and fashionable look, ultra lightweight shoes, protection, best athletic shoes brand. And the cons are, it is a little expensive. Now next we have Nike. It is the world's largest and best sports brand shoes which always offers attractive and quality shoes. It is a multinational company that provides us running shoes, golf, snowboarding, skateboarding, basketball, football, tennis and more. Pros of Nike are provide excellent support and comfort, lightweight and durable, best athletic shoes, unique and fashionable design. Cons are expensive shoes. Now next we have is Puma. Puma is also a globally known shoe and apparel brand which is very popular in India. It came to India in 2005 and since then it has been selling its products through online stores and retail outlets. The shoes of this company last for a very long time. Pros of Puma are fantastic sportswear, casual styling, breathable, comfortable, moisture management system, and the cons are limited choice of formal shoes. Up next we have Reebok. Reebok is a very old sports brand that offers a very strong and comfortable shoe. But today it is offering its quality sports clothes and footwear in India which is very popular. It is providing all kinds of shoes for men and women. Pros of Reebok are good quality, affordable, durable, lightweight, and cons are limited design for formal shoes. Up next we have Fila. Fila is a very famous shoe brand which is one of the most liked brands in US and UK, and today it is doing its business in many countries. And in India, it is being liked a lot by the people. Pros of Fila are nice quality shoes, affordable, and some cons are limited formals, runs narrow. Up next we have Essex. It is a Japanese brand that started in 1977. It is also known for its most expensive prices and premium quality which are popular worldwide. It sells brands, footwear and sports equipments through online stores and retail outlets worldwide. Essex pros are lightweight, stylish, comfortable. And the cons are, they are a little expensive. Up next we have Woodland. Woodland began in the 50s as a shoe brand which at that time made leather coats. It entered the Indian market in 1992 and then launched its first hand-stitched leather shoes market which shook the entire market. And it achieved great fame at that time, and even today this brand is also known all over the world for its immense strength. Pros of Woodland are best for outdoor sports, high durability, worth for money, unique design, highly protective. And the cons are, they are very heavyweight. Next we have is Bata. Bata is a very old foreign shoe brand that is known all over the world for its strength and durability. According to the company, it has 5,300 stores available in more than 70 countries all over the world, and it sells over 1 million shoes daily through these stores. Bata has established its production facility in more than 18 countries where it produces a wide variety of stylish and sturdy shoes. Pros of Bata are best for outdoor sports, highly durable, worth for money, unique design and highly protective. And the cons are longevity issues, variation in online and in-store experience. Up next we have Vans. Whether you are into skating, surfing or simply roaming the streets in style, you will be able to appreciate Vans sneakers and their signature aesthetics. simple, cool, and unconditionally comfortable. Vans shoes are a classic for a reason. The brand has been producing fashionable and practical footwear since the 60s and won't be stopping anytime soon. The pros of Vans are synonyms for versatility, sleek and clean design, breathable shoes. They come in so many colors and design, comfortable under the Indian definition of sneakers. The con are that they are not that durable. Last but not the least, we have Clarks. It has been one of the most popular shoe brand among men and women alike thanks for their quality craftsmanship and contemporary technologies. As time goes on, they are constantly upgrading and evolving their brand to keep up with the ever-changing world's fashion. Pros of Clarks are breathable, insanely versatile, a style icon, durable, comfortable. Most of its shoes never go out of style. And the con is quality differ with place of production.
For now, that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel.